Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add friends on Threads app. It's very easy. So Threads app is actually a new app, so lots of people are not yet on the Threads app. So if you want to invite your friends to come over and join Threads app, then so that you can follow each other, it's very easy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you want to do that, head to your Threads profile. If you want to head to your Threads profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So this is my profile. So what you're going to do next is to click on the two lines at the top right corner of your profile, and then you will see this follow and invite friends option. Tap on that, and then you can invite your friends via WhatsApp, via SMS, via email, or you can copy you can copy Trends app link and send to any of your friends so that they can join. So another way to do that guys is to click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. So click on that, and then you can search for anybody who is your friend to check if the person is on Threads app. So if the person is on Threads app already, you can go ahead and follow the person, right? So you guys can stay connected. So that is how you can actually add your friends on Threads app. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.